Hey friends, so this is pretty exciting. This is the Back to the Future hop, and this is where you use an old technique. You scrap lift one of your old layouts or anything like that. So it's November 5th, which in Back to the Future, that was the day they did the time machine thing and went back to the future. So I am going to scrap lift myself, which this is a layout I did a good while ago using some older supplies, which is fun. And I'm going to go ahead and use this spiderweb piece here in the centerpiece, which is kind of opposite. And I also really like this bat paper. I think it's super fun, and I'm going to use that where these lighter pieces are. Now, I have this photo. Let me show you the photo. This is a photo of Tink, and that is my son's girlfriend's cat. But my son and his girlfriend live together now, so I guess it's kind of his cat. I'm not sure. So I bought Tink this cool little haunted house, and she really, really liked it. So she gets to be the star of the show today. Now, in the sticker sheet, or on the sticker sheet that I'm using, because I'm mostly using the Simple Stories Happy Haunting collection, there was this cute little spooky kitty. So I want to make sure to include her, him, her, them. And in my original, it looks like my title is Boo. See the Boo? So I did see, where are my thickers? I do have thickers. On my thicker sheet, there was a Boo set of thickers, and I wanted to bring in two more of the sparkly bits, so I'm going to bring in two sparkle pumpkins, because here in the photo with Tink is a cute little pumpkin. So that's what I know so far. So I'm going to go ahead and get these pieces together. I'm also going to really focus on this sticker piece here, which is all one piece of these spooky houses. So that really works for this too. So let me get my pieces together. I have to grab out some washi tape, and I do have one here. I don't know if it's going to go or not. I'm going to see. So I'm going to grab out my washi, put that on. I do know in my extra bin I have some washi. Let me see if it works. Or, oh, you guys know what? It has cats on it. All right, we're going to invoke the extra bin of stuff because it does have a cat on it wearing a mask. So that's a must-have. So I'm going to go ahead and get all those pieces on. Then I'll come back and show you my progress. Alrighty, so took a little second break there. I have all three of my dogs on the bed behind me, so let's see how this is going to go. No idea. So I have the design down. Now these pieces that are here kind of on the diagonal, and these little directional arrow pieces are not attached. Everything else, as you can see, kind of is mimicking really nicely this layout I did back in the past. So I'm good with that. I've got my glittery pieces. These pieces are all up on foam. I like that. So now on my layout here, I have some kind of a diagonal thing going on. So I thought I would recreate that as well. I'm not going to be using the wood veneer. I do have a tiny bit of that wood veneer left, but I have a plan for it, for another layout, actually another layout for Challenge Accepted. So, and by the way, I didn't even say it. This layout is for both Challenge Accepted and the Back to the Future hop, because we are doing the Back to the Future hop for Challenge Accepted, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and just get these arrows up on, that's the puppy, up on a little bit of foam. Hold on. All right, they're being a little quieter for the moment. I don't expect that to last. So I like this little die cut that reads Happy Halloween. So I went ahead and got some foam behind that. I'm going to just get this little sticky stuff off and put it below. See right here on the inspiration piece, there was a piece right below. So I'm going to kind of recreate that and put it right at the base. Now for the other bits to bring more of a diagonal feel, I think I'm going to try to bring in some of these brads in this collection. So let's see, what can we use? The little ghosties are cute. The candy piece is not so much. I like the idea of bringing in this gray because I have some gray there. Different gray, but the gray works. So what I'm going to do is get my Pokerator. Where is that thing? Oh, here it is. I'm sure it's called something else. Look, oh, it's by We Are Memory Keepers. I've had it for like 15 years. I don't know. And I'm going to pop some brads in going down on the diagonal, and then I'll come back and I'll show you my finished product. I know this was super short, but when you scrap lift yourself, you totally know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, that's the baby wanting attention. Okay, be back in a minute. All right, friends, so I have this pretty much wrapped up. Let me show you some of those enamel dots. All right, friends, I have this one pretty much wrapped up. I was able to get on 6 different enamel dots. Let me get that little booger real quick. 6 different enamel dots, and now I'm holding, look, this is what I'm doing here. I'm holding him. I have the little kitty one, which I was like, why didn't I even see that in the beginning? The cute little bats that goes with the bats and an orange. Down here, I have these cute little ghosties, a spider web, and a deep orange. So kind of exciting that I got that many. And those are some old school products, my friends. They have been sticking around for a minute. So I always love when I can use up some stash. So I'm going to have the links down below, by the way, for everybody who is in the Back to the Future Hop, as well as Scrappy Kathy's channel for her challenge accepted take on this project. Let me see if you can see him a little bit. Since I am holding him and he is needy enough, look, I'm twisting him sideways. He is needy enough that this is what I have to do. He just won't leave me alone. Anywho, thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, let's see if you can see his little face. Questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. All right, that's it, friends. Bye-bye now.